Live, trance, and prosper. Hi, I'm Professor Brian David Phillips. I'd like to welcome you to my makeshift studio. Isn't really a studio, it's just my home in a corner of the bedroom. So there we go. Today we're going to talk about something absolutely crucial for anyone serious about their tarot practice. Why hands-on tarot trance exercises are the key to deepening your connection with the cards. You see, it's one thing to understand tarot on a theoretical level, but it's another thing to entirely to live it, to experience it on a deep transformative level. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. So why are practical tarot trance exercises so important? Well, think of it this way. Learning tarot is like learning to play a musical instrument. I spent many years learning drums. I suck, but I learned. I read the books, I took the lessons, I did the practice. But you can read all the books in the world. You can understand the theory behind every note and chord, except for the drums. It's just every whack and bash and clangy clang. But until you actually pick up the instrument and start playing, you're missing out on the real magic. It's the same with tarot trance. Now let's talk about what happens when you engage in these sort of hands-on exercises. First, though, let me say, why are you talking about this? I don't know what exercises you mean. Well, if you head over to Facebook, some of you are on Facebook, some of you are not. But here's a reason you might like to be on Facebook is we have a tarot trance community. Join that. And every once in a while, I post some tarot trance exercises, little exercises that have goals and something to do, and then some feedback, a debriefing for yourself that you can practice getting better at entering trance. If you have an interest in trance, I have a big interest in trance. I'm a hypnotist, and I'm quite good at it. But if you have an interest in trance or if you have an interest in tarot, these kind of exercises help you learn to deepen the experience of trance, and deepen your connection to the tarot cards. Okay? So, why should you engage in these sort of hands-on exercises? Take something as simple as a single card draw. You shuffle your deck with intention. You draw a card. And instead of just reading its meaning, you spend time immersing yourself in the card's world. You close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and imagine yourself stepping into the scene. You're not just thinking about the Empress. You're walking through her garden, feeling the earth beneath your feet, smelling the flowers in the air, and letting her nurturing energy wash over you. By regularly practicing, my English are good today. By regularly practicing this kind of immersive experience, you start to deepen your ability to enter a trance state. It becomes easier and easier to connect with the cards on a visceral, on an experiential level, to feel their energy and symbolism as if they were alive. And this, my friends, is where the real power of tarot trance comes in. When you engage with tarot in this hands-on, experiential way, you're not just learning about the cards, you're building a relationship with them. You're tuning into their frequencies, so to speak. And this allows for a much more intuitive connection. You begin to trust your instincts, to feel the messages in your body, in your emotions rather than just your mind. And here's why this is so helpful. Theory alone can only take you so far. It's like knowing the steps of a dance without ever moving your feet. You need to feel the rhythm, to lose yourself in the movement, to let the music guide you. Tarot trance exercises of this type are like that dance practice. They're how you get the theory off the page and into your life. So, if you want to truly deepen your tarot practice, I encourage you to make these hands-on exercises a regular part of your routine. It's not about perfection. It's about presence. The more you practice, the more you'll find that tarot becomes a living, breathing part of your spiritual journey. Head on over to the Facebook community and check them out. Also, feel free to, check out tarottrance.com for my unique original tarot cards. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, the power of tarot isn't just in the cards. It's in the connection you create with them. So get those cards out, dive in, and let the magic unfold. Stay curious, stay engaged, and keep exploring the depths of tarot trance. Until next time, take care and happy practicing. This has been Professor Brian David Phillips. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please hit likey, subscribe, share, and all that other good stuff. Until next time, live trance and prosper. Bye-bye.
Breathe deep, close your eyes, and surrender to the cards. Let the rhythm of the symbols take you far. In the dance of the arcana, see your story start to bloom. Every flip, every turn, it's like magic in the room. Tarot trance, feel the vibe, let your spirit take a ride.